Hey everybody, I got a fun quick little video for you. You know that R26 video that I just put out? It's only about a minute long. I was kind of just asking a question if anybody was interested in a video about the bike. And what time you usually watch my videos. Because I like to put stuff out when people are sitting around ready to watch it. Sometimes people like to watch things as they're freshly released. Well, the response is great. There's been a whole bunch of positive feedback on it. In fact, it's all been positive except for one comment, and that's the funny one I want to share with you all. Utah Bones. Utah Bones writes, Chris only puts videos out for people who pay. Is anybody paying on YouTube? Do you pay to watch YouTube? Bones, what is it that you want from me? I make videos and I post them to YouTube for free, like everybody else that posts videos on YouTube. They're free. You watch them for free, right? All of my video that is YouTube compliant is right here on YouTube for everyone to see for free, including you. YouTube has strict new guidelines that are being heavily enforced. Therefore, some of my material does not fit YouTube's new strict guidelines, so I post that material on my subscription channel on Patreon. Patreon is where my viewers can help support more video work from me by making a monthly contribution of their choice for whatever length of time they choose. That is where the funds come from for me to produce more videos. The funds don't come from YouTube, yet everyone on YouTube benefits from the videos made with the funds that come from patrons on Patreon, including you. Do you work for free? Should I? If so, tell me why. And you're Negative Nancy over there. You only make videos for people who pay. Who the hell's ever paid me to make a video? I've never been commissioned to make a video. Sounds kind of stressful, actually. I want you to make a specific video of this. No, I make what I can make. When I have the funds to make what I can make. It costs time for me to sit in this seat making videos. For every 5 minutes of video that you watch, I've been in this editing seat for at least 1 hour per every 5 minutes you view. Again, do you work for free? You ever sit in the same seat for 12 hours? Non-stop? Doing the same thing? Day after day after day after day without pay? Must be a labor of love. What do you want from me, Bones? I'm just a guy trying to make video out here in the woods. Trying to feed my family. Not asking for much. Just asking for a thumbs up. And help from those of the means to be able to help this video project grow. And I've wasted enough time on you now. I need to go. Goodbye to all my faithful viewers. Thank you for watching. You'll see me again soon. Bones, go away.
Thank you. Take care.